My name is Kunj Patel. As you know, Raksha Bandhan is coming close. Festivals of brother and sisters. So I thought we are going to make Rakhi as leftover materials. For that you need glue, as you know, googly eyes, then woolen thread, pencil, scissor, and older ribbons, old rubber bands, and like this A4 size small this type of color craft paper. So let's start making. First of all, you need to take the rubber band, put it here, and draw outside and draw inside also, like this. Now stick the rubber band on paper with glue. Like this way. So I am going to make 2 Rakhis. So I am going to stick 2 rubbers. So you have to wait for 5 minutes. 5. So let it dry. And I have made this Rakhi before. So like 2. So you need to cut like this circle, flower. I have 2 plastic flowers and 1 like this stone and a ribbon. So let's start sticking. First of all, you need to take the glue and place it here. Let it dry. Now take another plastic flower and place the glue again. Now stick it on this flower. Stick this. Do it carefully. So you have like this thing. Now you need to stick the ribbon. Put the 1 drop of glue in the middle of the lace and stick the flower. Press it carefully. So you can see our colorful Rakhi is ready. So it is dry. Now we need to take the scissors and cut it. So you can see I have cut this. So you can see I am going to stick the googly eyes in the middle. So downside you need to stick the wool with glue. So our Rakhi is ready. So our 3 Rakhis are ready. So you can see the Rakhis are so colorful. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe and keep motivating me. Bye.